Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add Microsoft account on Windows 11. So if you changed your Windows 11 login to local account instead of Microsoft account, and I want to add your Microsoft account, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this, you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. So at the end of this video, you'll be able to use your Microsoft account to log in into your Windows PC. So if that is exactly what you need, all you need to do is go ahead and click on the start button, select settings. On the settings page, locate and click on account. Now, once you clicked on account, scroll down, locate account settings and click on your info. Once you click on your info, come down to where you see account settings and click on sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Click on that. Then once you click on sign in with a Microsoft account instead, you just need to wait for a moment. And now you will be prompted to sign in with the Microsoft account you want to use on your Windows PC. So go ahead and type in the Microsoft account. Now click on the next button. Type in the Microsoft account password. And then click on the sign in button. Once you hit the sign in button, then hang on, you'll be prompted to sign into this computer using your Microsoft account. So you need to type in your current computer password. Type it and click on next. Once you hit the next button, just hang on, see your Windows 11 switch from local account to Microsoft account. Then after a couple of seconds, you should see this page restarted, and at the top right here, you should see your Microsoft account added. Now, you'll be prompted to set up your Face ID or fingerprint if your PC supports one. Otherwise, go ahead and click on next or skip for now. Then hang on a moment. Then you should see one more step. Use Windows Hello to finish setting up your Microsoft account on this device. Go ahead and click on next. And again, to confirm everything, just go ahead and type in your PIN. And then that is it. You can see now you've successfully added your Microsoft account to your Windows computer. So if you close the settings page, click on the start button, select your profile, then you should see your Microsoft account here. See that? So this is my Microsoft account, and henceforth I'll be able to use my Microsoft account to sign into my PC. So that is exactly how to add Microsoft account to Windows 11. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.